Hi all and what's up, my name is Alex and I'm back with another video, and today we're playing Nature's Call, the Spiderqueen, set foot on the Northwind. Okay, yeah, I am loading up my save because this whole thing is freaking annoying. There's attacks coming from here from dragons, which I handled. And there's trolls coming from somewhere else, and there are other quests that I have to complete, and this whole campaign is obnoxious. So, I've decided to load up a save of mine, which I did because I wanted to check the map, and I played a little bit in my spare time on it. So that's why I decided, why not just reload my save and play from that point on. And yeah. Now, our optional, I did the Destroy Dragon Roost optional quest, and now we're gonna do the other one, Destroy Troll Base optional quest. And we've done our main quest. Well, there are probably more than one main quest, because as it seems, the level hasn't ended, although I've done the main quest. Build up a base, which I have done, as you can see, over here. Yeah, I've kind of settled it. That's what I wanted to say. I don't know where I put my two main heroes, and why these guys are just mumbo-jumbling around. Okay, my heroes can pass through. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, there was a battle recently here. As you can see, the trolls are gonna attack again after a few seconds. It's gonna be. Oh my god, I'm really messed up today. It's gonna be kinda messed up. Now, let me keep on exploring this place. I'm pretty much settled in with all my items.
Hello to my little friend.
Oh my god, the trolls again. Potion of greater healing. Oh, come on. Too much oh, you can take. Nice.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Ah, you're gonna be able to. Cannibalism. Haven't I? Oh, no, I haven't recently. Oh my god, they managed to kill them all. Get there and help them. You fucking annoying bastards. I should have killed the healer first. Oh god, the spiders are really, really good. Let's go with a few giant spider and a few spinning spiders. You can't kill this guy actually, can you? Oh, there we go. Fine.
Make your choice.
Whoa, that was a hard one. There's all of these.
To my little friend.
Oh my god, that troll's attacking again. Oh, found the secret. You're a strength too.
Yes, master.
Just waste your mana.
Inventory is full. Our warriors have engaged
That costed
the
no
enemy.
mana or something.
What's done is done. Yes, master.
Nice.
Our sacred grove is being
Let's take
desecrated.
you as well. You're gonna be stationary on 2. I'm losing the base. Move in, spiders. They're insta-dying. How cute. Go build more defense, spider. Seems there's nothing better that I can build. That fucker. Oh, I'm gonna come for your base. Don't worry about it. I'm not letting you even go through. Even chaos damage ain't that strong here. From where are those fuckers even coming?
Proceed.
Let's upgrade my spider damage and my spider.
Say hello to my little friend.
Our
Again!
warriors have
The
engaged
trolls,
enemy.
again! Oh no, it's not the trolls. It's a piece of shit.
Your building is
What's
complete.
done is done.
You killed.
You
Nice.
may feel
Go for the
Our
wolves now.
warriors have engaged
Why are you there?
your building is
Annoying as all.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Didn't you learn to traverse paths, you stupid spider queen? Arachnids are really bad.
Research finished. Our warriors have engaged the enemy. Our sacred grove is being desecrated.
I found a goblin outpost that does not work. Nice.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Did I order some spiders over there?
Insufficient gold.
What? Well, I ran out of gold even.
Research finished.
More of the trolls are coming. Should have known.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Nice, nice. Okay, you're doing good.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Take
Our
the
sacred
money
grove
with
is being desecrated.
You can take the ring of regeneration.
Make
You
your
take the
choice.
tomb of strength. Okay? You're doing pretty good. Don't cast it with blizzards on your head.
Sacred grove is being desecrated.
You ran.
Nothing too much left.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
They're good at destroying my armies, as it seems.
The time is now.
Okay, nothing more here.
Proceed.
Then we're off to that side to find the trolls and from where they are coming. Those bastards. Let's try and regroup a little bit of these spiders in there.
Say hello to my little friend.
Number 2 force. If you see any enemies, destroy them. That's quite the damage you got there.
The time is
I'm gonna use that as soon as
What's
possible.
done is done.
This thing is
Time is now.
this thing is powerful.
By Neru. What's done is done.
And it kinda gets my enemies killed
Now.
pretty easily.
Yes, master.
Is that another secret?
By Neru.
Or am I just going to the troll huts?
By Neru. What's done is done. The time is now.
Looks just like another secret location.
What's
That's
done
not
is
really
done.
secret.
Yes, master.
Well, there was nothing there. I'm supposedly to do something with those flames or
What's done is
something,
done.
but I'm not gonna waste my time for it.
The time
I mean, there's probably gonna be a overpowered item that's gonna drop or something like that. A customly made one from the developer or something other connected to that, but that's kinda a waste of time. I mean,
Say hello to my little
I'm sure it's not gonna be that powerful. No shit. Let's optimize Blizzard over here. Let's try out Arachnosuit. What? Someone throw friendly units from a target area to L. Oh. So it's only like a teleport. Oh, I thought it was something more than that.
What's done is done. You'll not feel a sting. Yes, master. What's done is done.
Nice. An optional quest
Time
complete.
is now.
Now where is my main quest that I'm supposed to complete? Did I do everything?
Yes, master.
Is it bugged or something?
Time is now.
There's one area I haven't checked over here. Well, let's move out then, shall we? Come on, move, babies. And why did I even build this force if I'm not gonna use it anyways? Oh my god, that was savage. Wait, I wanna see that again. Oh my god. Savage beasts! 3 of ages. How am I supposed to upgrade my... Oh, wait, what just happened?
Oh no, spiders! I'm dead! They'll kill me! Help! Somebody!
Okay.
Help! Hi, little spider. Don't kill me, please. I'm a mighty goblin. Ooh.
Silence, pathetic creature. We aren't here to kill tiny goblins. We are here to find a secret demon cave. Do you know where the cave could be?
Oh, mighty spider, thank you very much for not killing me. You are almost as nice as the unseen. Do you know him?
No, we don't know him. Is he a goblin creature like you?
No. The unseen is a spider like you.
Oh.
Well, not exactly like you, but very similar. He's very powerful, and he's always invisible. It's hard to detect that guy, you know?
Interesting. Perhaps we can win this unseen as a powerful ally. Where do we find him?
Well, as I already said, he's invisible, and he can only be detected with a special device.
Really?
Unfortunately, I don't have such a device, but my brother Kabooing has one. Go ask him and tell him I sent you. He's located far to the northeast.
Kaboom
The northeast.
sends
Go,
me-
bye, see ya.
Send regards to his brother Kabooing. Okay. My trusty spider just fucking died.
Drained of life. You may feel the sting.
I like
What's
you
done is
more than
done.
Arachna. Metamorphosis.
Yes, master. By
Yeah,
their
funny.
rule.
Yeah, funny guy. Yeah, I probably know where he is anyways. Is this guy over here? That goblin house over there. You're gonna
ran.
stand on the place.
Yes,
Popsicles.
master.
Yeah, give it a popsicle.
What's done is done. Yes, master.
The abolish magic, I call it popsicles because, you know, it pops. You can pop as well. Be a popsicle. Oh my god, more popsicles. All of you. Oh, the popsicles! They be killers. I can teleport my whole army. You want me to teleport the spiders?
Oh no, spiders! Help! Help!
Kabooin!
No, your brother sent us. He told us about your device to detect the unseen.
Oh god, you want to kill him? Physically, he's very weak, but his magical power surpasses yours, I think. Uh-huh.
No, if he's so powerful, I want him as an ally. Give me the device and tell me where I find him.
Okay. With this gem, you'll be able to see him. You'll find him far to the northwest on a small mountain. Good luck. You're gonna
Oh,
You
so that's why the fire was. Now what am I supposed to drop for that? Agility of the hill, yeah, but I'm agility hill.
make your choice.
Oh, I'm gonna use the Book of the Dead, although it's a useful item. But it's not a permanent one. Probably he's here with the flaming thingies and the dragon shitties, and I'm moving to that. Okay, oh, I'm green. I didn't know I'm green. Well, I should have known, but score of healing. Nope, don't need it. Keep on the moving. Wait, what did I even take? Allow the hero to detect hidden or invisible units in the hero's line of sight when carried. Oh. Shit. That is useful, maybe. He's invulnerable. But I can break his goblin house. Am I supposed to be doing that? Like breaking the goblin house? Is there some hidden overpowered item over there? Or am I just gonna murder the goblin that way and fuck up everything?
At last we meet. Are you the mysterious spider the goblin told us about? The unseen? Depends on who's looking for me. You look like an undead crypt fiend. I have no intention to talk with a scourge. Turn and leave me alone.
Yeah, you look the
Else
same
what?
way.
You kill me? This is my Queen Arachna. We are on the search for the demon cave. We want to dispose of them. Arachna and I have a huge potential, but we could use some help. We thought you could be a worthy ally. Join us and help us crush the demons. Interesting proposal. I don't like the demons. I might be able to take out one or two of them by myself, but together we could really be a threat to them. Count me in. So
Okay.
be it. Unfortunately, we don't know where the damn demon cave is located. You're lucky. There's not much I don't know on Northrend, but we have a hard way to go to get to the cave. It's protected by a human paladin called Arthas. Follow me.
What the hell just happened? What? That was strange. What? What exactly? On here? Oh, wait, maybe not. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna continue it. Okay. Nature's Call, the Spiderqueen, finding the cave, search for the hidden demon cave. Let's do it. Let's try and do it quick.
We are close to the cave entrance. I sense some demons nearby. It will be a hard fight. No, I think I'm able to kill those demons alone. They cannot see me. I suggest you and Arachna wait somewhere until I remove the demons. As you wish, but be careful. I sense a very powerful being. Not sure if it's undead or not. Good luck.
Okay. Oh shit. I'm stuck this way.
Proceed. What's done is done. Yes, Master. Make your choice. What's done is done. Yes, Master.
Okay, I'm supposed to kill him with mana burn. Rendering it's unable to move, attack, or cast spells, and stopping others from attacking or casting on it.
Yes, Master.
Okay.
Done is done.
So I'm playing like this, because I'm the unseen. So I have a gem that allows me to detect invisible units. Why?
Yes, Master.
Why would I have a gem that allows me to detect invisible units? Peaceful burn for mana burn!
Yes, Master.
Peaceful burn for mana burn! Yeah, I'm level 2 now.
Now. Yes, Master.
This Murloc is asleep. Oh, this is gonna drive me insane. A holy light that can heal a friendly living unit or damage an enemy undead unit. Okay. Open a portal allowing doom spiders to step through the and to Archmon's bidding.
The time
What?
is now.
And do Archimon's bidding.
Yes,
Why am I supposed
Master.
to be doing Archimon's bidding?
Time is now. Yes, Master.
Oh, they missed me. I can't mana burn them.
What's
But
done
what am I
is
supposed
done.
to do with them?
Yes, Master. What's done?
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Am I supposed to be using this? Well, it's not very effective, isn't it? Fly off! These ones are strong. Doom Merling. Whoa.
What's done is done. The time is now. What's done is done. The time is now. Make your choice.
Shit.
Yes, master.
Attack it.
What's done is done. The time is now.
Well, they're barricades with crates. Artisan. Why are artisans' towers looking like human towers as skeletons? What?
Yes, master.
Tell me there's something.
The time is now.
I'm searching for treasure.
What's done is done. Yes, master.
Baby, you spin my world right around, right around. I'm a totally bad singer. Na 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 na.
Yes, master.
Oh my god, this is gonna make me dizzy.
Yes, master.
Oh, more murlocs for me to mana burn.
Yes, master.
At least I'm gonna get level 3 by mana burning these murlocs.
What's done is done.
Die, murloc!
Yes, master.
There we go.
The time is now.
And I found a
Yes,
potion of great
master.
mana.
What's done
My
is done.
hidden item that I was looking
The
for.
time is now. Yes, master.
Oh, and a sentry ward.
What's done is
Well,
done.
I don't need sentry wards, but
The time is now.
to that side,
Yes, master.
to that
What's
side,
done
my
is
trusty
done.
little spider
Time is
burning
now.
a murloc. These murlocs have only 100 HP.
Proceed. Yes, master. What's done
Yeah, they
is
still
done.
give me gold and XP as far as I can see.
Time is now. Make your choice.
These guys are asleep.
Yes, master. The time is now.
Oh,
Proceed.
much more powerful spiders, is it so? Yeah, I'm kind of not gonna defend from that blizzard. 'Cause pretty much we're doing good.
The time is now.
What's over here?
Yes,
Not-
master.
Oh wait,
The
there's something
time
over
is
here.
now.
Nope. Oh no, there is.
What's
There is,
done
there
is
is.
done. Yes, master.
Go up and fight!
Time is now.
Something that's still returning. Well, I'm crushing them, aren't I?
Yes, master. The time is now.
Big ones are really strong.
Yes, master. The time is now. Time is now.
Nice, I got more cash, but I'm low on mana.
What's done is done. Yes, master.
Where am I even supposed to go?
Time is now. What's done
Am I even
is
supposed to be
done.
here? Oh, I found something secret.
Proceed.
Ooh.
The time is now.
Ooh. I got -1 armor. What? Got goblin landmines, but I got minus. Did I always have -1 armor, or did I just get that?
Make your choice.
Okay,
What's done
let's
is
move out.
done. The time is now. Yes, master. What's done is
Is that
done.
another tower down there?
Yes, master.
Oh wait, or is it over here?
What's done is
Oh
done.
yes, it is over here.
Time is now. You ran. Done is done. Yes, master.
Oh shit! I didn't see the shade. Damn. Thing. Why would you give me goblin mines if you're gonna kill me, are you? Yeah.
Proceed.
Before mana burn.
Time is now. What's done is
Gonna wait a
done.
long time now to kill all these murlocs.
The time is now.
That's why you should save, kids. Cause you know what? When you done save, that's what happens. Especially in these maps.
Yes, master.
You're totally fucked up and they can insta-kill you without you even understanding.
The time is now.
Because some hell dogs attacked you.
Yes, master.
Because you're a spider that is invisible and you just have a gem that sees invisibility in your pocket. For no reason at all.
You ran.
Mana burn.
Yes, master. What's done is
This
done.
seemed to do the trick last time.
Yes, master.
Why not take it this time as well?
What's done is done. The time is now. Proceed. What's done is done. Yes, master.
I
What's
will
done
kill
is
you
done.
all
Yes,
that stand in
master.
my way.
The time is now.
Not the tower. Attack the
What's done is
uglies. Throw the big one in the sky. And fight the uglies.
time is now.
That Murloc almost killed ya.
Make your choice.
Boom! Bastard.
What's done is done.
Now, in the meantime, I'm gonna go for my items.
Now. Yes,
Burn!
master. The time is now. Yes, master. What's done is done. Yes, master. What's done is done.
Okay, I think I managed to...
The time
Yes!
is
I managed to
now.
get myself unstuck from there
Yes,
pretty nice and
master.
pretty quickly. Burn that Murloc again.
What's done is done. Yes, master.
Why aren't you destroying the other tower as well?
Proceed.
We are supposed to destroy our towers here. Attack the crate, my fellow spiders! Or you can just go hammer on the tower.
What's done
All
is
of you.
done.
Now let's save this. And keep on moving.
Yes, master.
Oh shit, shit.
Yes, master.
Move out, you fuckers.
What's done is done. Proceed. The time is now.
Don't let yourself be
What's
hammered.
done is done. Yes, master. What's done is done. Yes, master. Make your choice.
Boom!
The time is now. You rang. What's done is done. Yes, master.
Why would I even need
Time is
sentry
now.
weapons? Let's place one
Yes,
over here.
master.
I guess.
The time is
Never
now.
needed sentry walls before.
What's done is done. Make your choice.
So like, oh, I can burn him. I thought I couldn't, for some reason. Well, that's nice.
What's done is done.
Now, after you're destroying that tower, I can
Yes,
move in the
master.
meantime up in front.
What's done is done.
These ones should not be able to see.
Yes,
I can wanna
master.
burn you.
The time is
Keep
now.
on moving.
Yes, master.
Go to the secret
What's done is
location.
done. The
I can't even
time
click on
is
the map.
now.
Shit.
Yes, master. What's done is done. The time is now.
Keep on moving. Save it to the secret location.
Yes, master. The time is now.
And now use the goblin landmines
Yes, master.
on these
The
bastards.
time is now. Yes, master. The time is now. You rang.
Well, my ugly babies are
What's
hammering
done
on
is
that.
done.
And you're gonna explode or
The
something.
time is now. Make your choice.
Anytime now. Boom, boom. Like explodies or something. No? No
Done
explodies.
is done. Yes, master.
Well,
What's
shit on
done
you
is
then.
done.
Raid the tower. And move out to break the enemy forces. No, 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 not
Make
one
your
another.
choice.
You fuckers, move out to intercept.
Our warriors have engaged.
You're gonna be in treat. Oh, come on! Are you serious? You're gonna go and shit to design.
The time is now. What's done is done. Make your choice. Proceed. You rang.
And the camera is locked in an extremely annoying position.
Make your choice. Yes, master.
Shit. Now my mana burn ain't on the same concept as the other one. That's even more annoying.
Time is now.
No, 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 no! I said destroy the tower, you fuckers.
Proceed.
Our warriors have
Okay, what the
engaged.
fuck is my heal? He's like the dumbass. The maximum dumbass. Oh, I got one mana burn off.
Time is now.
He mana burned me, but I mana burned him as well. Finger of death. Nice.
What's done is done.
Now let's save this here
The time
before I get
is
killed
now.
again. You're in control 2. You're in
Make
control
your
1.
choice.
Let's go.
Proceed. What's
Control
done
1.
is done.
Control 2. Control 2.
You rang. Yes,
Definitely need
master.
hotkeys for this one.
Proceed.
If you don't have hotkeys and you don't know how to hotkey here, you're pretty much dead, boy. No, 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 don't step back. Stay back. You kill your own, fucker. Did you? At least I have more HP now.
The time is now. What's done is done. Yes, master.
All of you number 2, move out. All of you number 3, move out. 2, attack move over there.
Our warriors have engaged
3,
the enemy.
attack move over there. 1 over here. Very, very, very careful.
Time is now.
Okay,
Yes, master.
let's give it a cheeky save again. Attack move! Attack move!
You rang.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Mana burn that bastard! Nice. He's pretty much killing my forces. Oh yeah, they have a resistant skill. Forgot about that. Oh yeah, but he can fly away.
Done is done. Yes, master. What's done is done. Yes, master. What's done is done.
More spiders for reinforcements.
Proceed.
Mana burner. No one will survive our rat. Two go over there. One turn around. Three go over here. One turn around. One combine these. Oh wait, numero. Just go there.
Make your choice.
Is that a horse? It's in Bonnaroo.
Your choice.
What the?
Oh, this human paladin can detect me. He is too powerful for me. I'm dead. I'll take over and kill him.
What the?
He is too strong. I must transform to have a chance.
I feel power. Someone is calling me. Goodbye, powerful creatures.
What the? That was...
This paladin transformed from life to undead. He was very powerful. We are lucky we survived this attack. Let's enter the cave. Yes, follow me, my friend.
Oh my god. The cheesy talk and everything. Bad to worse to just... I don't know. The worst thing I've ever played. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the cheesy conversations and the bad text and everything else. And yeah, I hope I will see you in the next cheesy episode of Nature's Call. Damn. Let's see.